everyone, in this video we will learn about how to find minors and cofactors of elements of determinants. So let's take any determinant A of order 3, A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23, A31, A32 and A33. This is, let's say, we are given determinant. Now, what is a minors? Now, minor of Aij. Now, here Aij means what? Ith row and jth column. Okay. So, if you are talking about A11, so A11 is what? First row, first column element. Okay. So, if you want to find out minor of any element Aij, what is the actual definition of it? See, it is defined as the determinant obtained by eliminating the ith row and jth column of determinant A. So, if I want to find out A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23, A31, A32, A33. If I want to find out minor of element A11. So what I will do? I will erase or I will delete its row and its column. So whatever is left, what will be left here? A22, A23, A32, A33. So determinant of this matrix will be what? The minor of A11. Okay, let's take an example and understand it. Let's take example. Let's say I have example 1, 2, minus 3, minus 2, 0, 4, 5, minus 1, 3. Okay. Now here you have to compare this given determinant to the general determinant. Let's say A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23, A31, A32, A33. Okay. Now here what is your A11? A11 is 1 here. Okay. This one. Now let's find out minor of A11. So minor of A11. Here A11 is what? 1. So we will call this as also capital M11. This is the symbol for minor A11. Okay. What you will do? You will just erase or you will just delete this row of 1 and column of 1. Okay. Whatever will be the left. So we will take 0, 4, minus 1, 3. Okay. So 0, 4, minus 1, 3. You have to find out the value of this determinant. How to find out? By doing cross multiplication. 0 into minus 3 minus 4 into minus 1. Okay. So 0 into 3 is 0. Minus 4 into minus 1 is minus 4. So we will take right here 0 plus 4. So your answer will be what? 4. So minor of 1 will be 4. Okay. Understood? Likewise, you have to solve for all the elements of the determinant. How many elements are there? 9 elements. So you have to find out minor of each and every element in determinant. Okay. So let's find out now M12. How you will find out M12? See, here your M12. M12 is what? M12. For that you will look at the A12. So 2 is your A12. You have to find out minor of A12. So minor of A12 will look like capital 1, 1, 2. For this, delete the row and column of this element. What is left here? Minus 2, 4, 5, 3. Now find out the determinant of this new determinant. Okay, find out the value of this determinant now. What you will write here? See, 2 into 3, minus 2 into 3 is minus 6, minus 4 into 5, 20. So your answer will be minus 26. Okay. Likewise, you will find out for all. Now, if I want to find out minor of a to 2, okay, see a to 2. Look at the element a to 2. Which one is the a to 2 here? 0. Okay, this 0 is your a to 2. So, m to 2. How you will write the determinant of m to 2? By deleting corresponding row and column. Okay, so you will get here 1 minus 3, 5, 3. Find out the value of this determinant. 3 into 1 is 3, minus 5 into 3 is 15. So minus minus plus. So answer will be 18. Okay. Likewise, you can solve for all the elements. Now let's talk about what is cofactor. Okay, let's see what is cofactor of element. Now to find out cofactor, you will need minor. Okay, now you have seen how to find out minor of an element. Now to find out cofactor. Now cofactor, let's denote it by CIG. Okay, that means cofactor of ith row jth column element. So again, if you have a determinant a11, a12, a13, a21, a22, a23, a31, a32, a33, here you can write cofactor of a11, that means C11. There is a formula for that. So what is this formula? See, for this we will write minus 1 raised to I plus j into minor of ig. Okay, so here if I want to find out cofactor of element a11, that means C11, right? So minus 1 raised to I, what is I here? 1, plus what is j here? 1, into m 1, 1. Let's take a previous element. Okay, previous matrix. Previous determinant. What was it? 1, 2, minus 3, minus 2, 0, 4, then 5, minus 1, 3. Okay, this was your determinant. Now in this you have already solved for the m11. Right? So here I will write minus 1 raised to 1 plus 1 is 2 into what was your value for m11? It was 4. So minus 1 square is 1 only. So 1 into 4 is 4. So here you will get value of cofactor of element a11. Okay, that is 4. Likewise, you can solve for another elements. Now you have to find out all cofactors. Okay, means for all elements. That means how many cofactors you will find? 9, because we have 9 elements in our determinant. Okay, understood? Now see, this is the formula. You have to remember this formula to find out cofactor of element. If you want to find out cofactor, minor is always there. Okay, so you first find out minors, then you can find out cofactor. Let's take one more example. Okay, let's take example. Take example 3 minus 4, 5, 1, 1 minus 2, 2, 3, 1. Okay. Now see, again you have to compare this determinant with the general determinant a11, a12, a13, A21, A22, A23, A31, A32, A33. Okay, so if I want to find out M11, what I will do, I will look at the element, first element. Okay, delete these corresponding row and column. What you will left with 1 minus 2, 3, 1. Now find out the value. 1 into 1, 1. Minus from the formula. And here minus is of element. So minus 2 into 3, minus 6. So you will get 1 plus 6, answer 7. Now immediately you can find out C11. What is the formula? Minus 1 raised to I plus j. Here I is 1, j is 1 into Mij means M11. So minus 1 raised to 2, that is minus 1 square into 7. So 1 into 7, your value for the first element's cofactor is also 7. Okay. Similarly, you can find out for all other elements. Okay. Thank you.